Okay, let's render the interiors of the bedroom. Let's make six adjustments. Yeah, we use the sections from the lab to search Sketchup. Okay, make this happen. If you want to show you from this side, you can also make the session frame from this side. Today I want to show from this side. The reason why I'm doing this is I want to show you how to set up a camera in very tight space. See here, it has only the 5 feet, around approximately 2.5 meter or something. Okay, so in order to make the tight space, we have to adjust the camera adjustments. It's very not easy for some of you, but I will show you how to adjust this. Okay. First, we use the section 2 from the lab choosers, make this happen, okay, and then go to the favorite settings, and then you have to fix the rendered outputs here. Uh, in this case, we don't use the widescreen. We will probably use portrait here for 0.5. Okay, okay, and then make it the safe frame on, and you can adjust this slash whatever you like it, but I want to make a little bit to customs to 4 5 maybe 5 here, and this is a bus adjustment for the narrow space like bedroom or something. You don't do make a little bit, not all worry about if you have a large bedroom, okay, but this toilet is bedroom is very small, so let's take a look. Okay, okay, let's here, and then my camera field of view is 35. Remember, 35 and 35 is very good here. Bigger value like 55 or 60 make a little bit bad image. It probably cost you the distortions of the field of view. So I will set it to 35. If you want to make adjustments, more adjustment, you can try that, like you can play during the range 35 to 45. Okay, it is up to you. It's up to you. Now go to the view settings and add animations and then add scenes. Okay, now we have a scenes one. We have a scenes one. I don't know this is a good position or not. We animate the 2-point perspective from the camera options. Okay, move a little bit upward. Okay, now update this camera scenes. Okay, so we will make the raw render here. Put the rectangle line on the here. Don't worry, I will remove this rectangle line later. Okay, I want to make sure my sync is perfect or not. Okay, and then go to the geometry settings and then select the sections. We are making the sections, so we have to disable these options. Okay, disable this. If not, the light will come from this back side. By disabling this option, the light cannot come through from this side. Okay, because we use the sections. Okay, now the light is only coming from inside, so only we have rectangle light option in the light. We have no sound, no improvement light for sure. Okay, so we can disable it. You can disable this or you can enable this. It doesn't matter because it doesn't affect the interior of the bedroom. Okay, because we are closing all the surroundings. We have no windows. So go to the settings. I will make adjustment for the past renderings. Go to the I like to use NVIDIA's math. Let it default, okay? Make it denoiser, NVIDIA AI, first reference, first parameter. I like to put it manually here. So nothing left, okay? Let's So set it to 400 or 500 depending. It doesn't matter, we will use the trust. Okay. Right now the light is too strong and then the surrounding wall are reflected. So we have to make it the material or elevate the material or right option. Okay, let's test again. Okay. I think it is the perfect position for this 6 camera. Okay, I will like it. I will make it here. And okay, I will delete this rectangular. Okay, so we need to add the light. I want to add ceiling light right now. Okay, so I don't have ceiling light model. I will try to use the ceiling light model from 3D warehouse. So paste here and then copy it to the power scenes. Okay, I think this ceiling light is very bigger. Okay, maybe you can put this light in this area. It's okay. Now uh, let's bring forward a little bit, like 1.2. No, okay, this is good. Now so copy this light here, copy this and then this here. I want to make scale adjustments, so I want to make it smaller. Okay, it is small. And then I want to rotate a little bit, like 45 degrees. Okay, now we got this ones, and then move it to your background. Okay, move here in the center of the background, and then copy it to here. Okay, now we have double line on the ceilings, backgrounds, and then single line on the background. If you want to make, if you don't want this silly light, you can remove and add this too. Okay, now I want to use this. Okay, okay, now apply the, now go to the silly light, go to here. Okay, micro, so that we can apply the mesh light on it. Now go to the light settings and then right click here, call mesh light. Okay, rename it to silly light. It's okay. Now you have to apply selection here. Okay, now there the red square appear, which means the ceiling light is already applied this here. Okay, if you apply the ceiling light to this here and then this red dotted line doesn't appear, which means the mesh light doesn't apply on your object, which means your object is not a blue state. Okay, so I will make it default. I will set it to minimum as possible, as I don't want this light to give the room to this light. I just want to make this surface a little bit brighter. Okay, so I will make it like here or something. Don't make it impossible. I want to show it here. Okay, now here, take it here. The rest you can make it default. Okay, okay. Now it also affect this area because it's made the group here. Okay, and then I want to add rectangle light to this surface. So call rectangle light and then yeah, and then move a little bit downward the rectangle light from keyboard 0.1 or 0.2 is good here because rectangle light is the main light that gives light distribution to this room. Okay, now hide this glasses and then add rectangle light to this as well. Okay, now you got the rectangle light here and then you have to rotate this rectangle light to 45 as well. Okay, after you put it here and then rescale it to here, and then we have to just manually. Okay, okay, got. Now you have to move a little bit downward, like 0.1. It's okay. Now copy it to another layer and then paste here. Okay. Now let's touch the render. We want to know the situations. Okay. Before you render it, you have to make adjustment. I think our base rectangular is here, so I will make to render to base. Okay. Copy it and then rename this one. What is this? You can delete this ones. Okay. Rename this to here and then this is small ones. Okay. So we want to increase the I want to change the unit to the radian power, and also I want to change this unit to radian power, set it to 30, okay, or 45, and then I will set it to 45. Okay, remember, whatever, it doesn't matter if it's big or small, the three rectangular have the same light distribution because it has radiant power and it also has 35 watt. Okay, so let's see the light saturation in the interior. So we will make the adjustment as we need. Okay, so I think I don't need to make any adjustment to this room, but I found this side is a little bit darker, so we will make it to a little bit brighter. Increase this one, go to the bit rectangle up, go to maybe 55. Let's run it again. Okay, okay, and then it is brighter as well. Remember, we are doing in the material overlay setting, which means the wall doesn't have the reflection and also the floor doesn't have the reflection. If you enable the material overlay option, depending on the material, the size may brighter and the sun may a little bit darker depending on your material. Okay, okay, now let's start with this ceiling light. I'm okay with that. Let's add some light tray. You didn't protect your light. I want to add light tray from here. So okay, I protect, yes, then put it here, stop it here, and then move a little bit downward to 0.2 and then move a little bit here like 0.4, too much, 0.3. Okay, 0.22 is okay. Now go to the settings and then there's a rectangle light, so rename it to the light tree. So it doesn't matter what you rename the light, as long as you remember it is okay. Okay, now I want to change the unit to radiant power and intensity. Let it here, I will test this, and then color intensity to 4200, and then anywhere particulars, and then invincible. Okay, let's test render. Okay, the intensity is good, the color is good, so I will let it here. And also I want to add light here, so maybe you can see the trash cans or trash bins, whatever you call it. Yeah, I will add the light here. Okay, now you have to move your light a little bit downward. Remember, you have, if you add rectangular light, do not stick it on the object. Okay, a little bit, move a little bit from the object. Okay, go to this settings. This is a rectangular light, so oh, I duplicate it, just delete this one and then rename this to whatever you like it. change your unit to the radian power. You can make the scalar and also you can make everything you like it, but it is hard to adjust the intensity. Okay, but for my method, I use the radian power and just the intensity whatever I like it. It is accurate. Okay, it's accurate or like or interior things and doesn't I mean accurate for my rendering. It is okay or not. It does not affect on the real life. Okay. So let it change to 4200 as well. So options to regular invasive. Okay, let's start with 30. So let's see. Okay, now I don't want this light to a little bit brighter, a little bit, make it a little bit darker. So I don't want too bright here. Maybe let's start with 10. Okay, 10 is good. 10 is good. Okay, 10 is good. Okay, now so the 10 is mirror. You can leave these options if you don't want the light in the mirror. So I like the light on the mirror, so I want to add this here, make it group. So which means you can put the mesh light on it. Okay, so now call the mesh light. You can use this mesh light from here, but I want to use it as I want to adjust some intensity of something. So make it mirror. Okay, I will use 4200 as well. Change unit to radian power. Okay, now let's see our render. This is a fast. I don't think it is a fast. Okay, let's maybe increase here. No, not like this, not that car or mod. I just want to make sure it's a fast or not. Not sure. Okay, let it default here. Why? Why it doesn't affect? Because I forgot to put the mesh light here. Apply it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, now we can see the light through the corner. And then what about our intensity? The light distribution around this border means this light is okay. So I think it is okay. Let's maybe what about this one? This one is okay. A little maybe a little bit brighter. I don't know. So light tray, yeah, yeah. Decrease to 20. And then this which I can light to 60. Render it. It's okay, that's perfect. I like this. Okay. 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 Looking good. Now I want to go to material settings. Okay. What should we make? We make the so as far as you know, you can see that a lot of material are not in the Vray material. Here you can see this one. This one is already converted to the Vray material, which means we can adjust the reflection already. So this one doesn't have the material, not the visual material. It is default material. So what I made is here, click Control and Shift, and then and here. So you select all the material, or okay, of non-Vray material, and then right click and convert to Vray material. So what it means, so sometimes you have missing texture in the Vray setting. So when you a lot of material, you have not enough time to make detail on every material that you are inputted. So by enabling this option, it became the Vray material. Several of them have the like V-Ray material settings, some of them doesn't. So for example, this one doesn't have a V-Ray material like reflection or reflection values or bump or something. It only have a diffuse matte. So some you have to make adjustment for this. So some texture has already have V-Ray settings, but it doesn't make the it is list as a non Vray material. When you convert it to Vray, it automatically made the Vray material. Like it already adjusts the Vray material. Okay. Now some of the material. Okay, like this ones. I'm sure this one is already kind. Yes, because this one. I'm sure this texture will be missing here. Okay, to solve this problem, you have to okay. You have to go to the extension, Vray and the 5-bit editor. Click on the 5-bit editor. Okay. It doesn't affect on non-Vray material. That's why you have to change every material to convert it to Vray material. And then Control A this texture and then click a hive and rebut. Okay. So which means you go to the backgrounds and then create new flora for that. So map or something slash flora and then wait for the moment to finish this. Okay, you see the green here is mean it already finished rebutting. Okay, which means we don't need to add the texture by ourselves. It also texture by itself. Okay, so it only make the texture. Okay, it didn't add you the V-Ray settings. Okay, let's see our mirror. I want to clear this and then for the mirror, go to reflection. I will set it to 22 to 25. So I will set 25 and then use glossiness and then reflection color to the white. Probably the mask here. Click on the first layer. Okay. You can, I don't know, maybe here. Okay. I like this. So we don't need to add any matte for the material. It's done. So what about this one? Let's see this one. So for this one, this is where the here change it to 2.5. Okay, it's okay. Okay, for this twilight material, let's see this one. So here, so change this to glossiness and then change the reflection to 0.85. No, I will go with 0.95. And then reflection color to a little bit like 75%. I want to make it white here, not completely white. Okay, like 90%. And then I want to 2.5. Okay, just material to 0. Okay, okay, I like this. Okay, this material is same with this material, so just this one. Change it to 2.5 glossiness to 0.95. 80% or 70% white, a little bit white. Maybe you can use all 100% white. It is up to you. Okay. Okay. Now let's see this material. This material is the stainless steel. Okay. Okay. Now check this material also. I don't like this material. Reflections to like 1.6 default. Glossiness 0. Fastener. Reflections. change it to a little bit white, but next one. You can reduce, we have to reduce this glossiness to 0.9. Let's see. Yes, this one. For some time you can add the reflection mask to this stainless steel, but now I don't have this much, so let the view here. So it is like I will add, okay, I will add reflection mask. Okay, can we see the graph? We cannot see the graph here. Okay, we cannot see the graph here, but when you are zooming around it, you will see the differences here. Okay, and then we also need to make any adjustments. Okay, let's see how big this is. They have a 49.8 kilobytes, which means this texture is not good enough for rendering. Okay, when you render like 4K or 8K, then this is like a low quality textures. So I already add this one. I have 1.1, which is uh, like 4K quality. So we have to add this one. Okay, let's see. We don't need to make any adjustment at all. Okay, now we have to create three maps of generate. So change it to like 0001 more white, duplicate it to three material. Okay, one, two. Okay, change, rename this one to flow. I want the three material here, flow one, then wall surrounding. I want to add time to the surroundings, and also I want to make it white here. Let's make the white material first. Go to the diffuse, add bitmap. I have a plaster seamless, so you can choose this ones. Okay, so some kind of wall you have to make reflection to midair, and then reflection closeness to 0.5. So if you had high reflection mode, you can increase the reflection closeness value for the default I will add 0.5. Okay, now at the color corrections, as this map is a little bit gray maybe, so I will increase the intensity like 0.1. Don't increase that. Okay, increasing this option will give you like a brighter wall here. So now apply this material here, copy this ones, apply this material here, apply ceiling, apply to the ceiling as well. Okay, make sure you only choose the material that you apply. Okay, is apply or not. Okay, now we go to the floor, add the tiling material. Let's choose the property, so we can use this one. What about this one? Okay, I will use this one. That's a floor. Okay, now that for the time we have to set. If you want to make the like high reflection time, so like a marble, So you have to set the reflection closing up value to 0.8521. So I will set here 0.75. So I don't want high reflection, okay? I just want to reflect a little bit. If not, high reflection means it's sleepy. So if you add this high reflection back to your bathroom, okay, when you coming out from the bath, shower first, okay, please pray to God, okay, not to sleep. So I will make everything stable here. Now go to the right click on, go to the diffuse and right click here, what in clip edge. Oh no, I mean grid, sorry. So you see the grid surrounding to the my tiny material. So if I reduce this times, okay, a little bit, okay. Now why I made this one? Because it became the tiny material, okay? So you don't need to make flow generator to make the tile on the floor, okay? So there's a white cement here. So applying this material here, you can see the tiling is here. Okay, now I want to increase the distance value to like this. Then let's see it. Okay, now perfect. So I want to make that positions, hide this one. So if you cannot hide this one, make a little bit bigger. Okay, it's okay. So you can change the size of this material. It's like 1 feet 2 inches. You can get this size from the local, depending on your manufacturers or your country. I don't know about you guys. So hide this one. Apply this material here as well. Okay. Okay. Now great. Now click on the same settings. We have to make the we left a wall. We have to make the barrel roll. So okay. Now go to the wall. Add material here. Choose the material we add from here. Maybe I want to use this one. Yes, I want to use this one. You can add the age also. Grid. I mean, why? I don't know. Let some default here. Go to 0.95. I want to make this one is a little bit brighter. So change your eye to 2. 2 is okay. Now apply it to wall. Hide this one. Okay. Okay, 20 is perfect. Okay, now go to texture positions and then just the tie like this. Okay, perfect. Now select this one, then apply to the side wall as well. Apply this here as well. Okay, nice. Now click to the scenes one. Scenes one. So everything on the material is finished. So we will test the render. Now test the render here. So everything is finished. So go to the material override options and deliver this and then click in the edit rendering. Let's see the material changes here. Okay, now you can see this light is overbrighted, and then I want to see this right also. But you can, after rendering it finished, after final rendering, you can fix this problem by reducing the highlight band or exposure. Let's see what we did in the end. Okay, so I want to fix this light because it is too over. So go to the light setting. This is a trust mean, so reduce is to 5. Okay, now let's see here. Yeah, it reduced a bit. And also I want to decrease the mirror lines to like 15th prefers, so because it distribute this tower. So okay, I think everything is looking good. Okay, now we have to make the final renderings. Go to the settings and change your subdivided to 12. If you have better PC, you can increase this. Okay, now change your light cache to 1500, and then change your rendered output to 2000. So that's what you need. So anyway, there's options, ambient occlusion options 8 to 16. You can increase this to 1.6, but I will let it default here. Optimization, and I will change it to area. Okay, okay, now we will run it. Okay, okay, the rendering is finished. Let's adjust the sun exposure. At exposure, reduce highlight band a bit. Let's see. Okay, I will reduce at 0.6. Can we increase the contrast to 0.15? Okay, and then can we increase the a little bit of exposure? Okay, and then the cup. Okay, and then we can adjust the white balance to 6000. Let's see. Okay, reduce the highlight band to 0.5. Okay, I think it is go for all. Okay, then save. You can, let's see, we can make any line of art here. Here, like this. Too much, so we need to decrease the intensity, so 0.15, and then it to 2 or something. Okay, now buffer. Can we increase, can we make the sharpness here? Okay, to sharpness. Now let's reduce to 0.25, then 0.5. Okay, now this is perfect. Okay, now you can just save your